Changing your phone number on Amazon is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, locate the account and lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then select your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access your account information. In the Your Account section, look for the Login and Security option. Click on it to view your account details, including your phone number. Step 4. Edit a phone number. Find the phone number field and click on the Edit button next to it. Enter your new phone number in the provided space. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new phone number, click on the Continue or Save Changes button to update your information. You may receive a verification code to confirm the change. Now your phone number is updated on Amazon. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for assistance.